in the airport. So okay, and start.
What would we start?
I don't know, but okay, you can start. And
What's called? What's called? ਕੀ ਪੁੱਛਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਤੇਲਗੂ ਚ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤੇਲਗੂ ਚ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ
ਗਾਲ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛੋ ਕੀ ਪੁੱਛ
What's
ਸਕਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ
called girl
ਜੁੱਤੀ
in
ਜੁੱਤੀ
Amai,
ਅਮਾਈ
Amai.
okay
ਅੰਮਾ ਹੀ ਜੁੱਤੀ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਮਾ ਹੀ
look
ਕਹਿੰਦੇ
at that ਅਮਾਈ ਹੈ ਨਾ
That girl means only called Telugu is Amai.
Amai.
Yes.
Okay. Amai. If we want to say that girl is so pretty.
ఆ అమ్మాయి చాలా అందంగా ఉంది.
Amai.
చాలా అందంగా ఉంది.
చాలా
అందంగా ఉంది.
अंदंगा
అందంగా ఉంది.
अंदंगा उंदी.
Yes.
Okay. Pretty को क्या बोलते हैं?
ప్రిటీ అందంగా అండ్
అందంగా.
అద్భుతంగా
अद्भुत.
అద్భుత
It's little bit
హిందీ
sounds like Hindi है ना?
तो जगह है
Ganga. And what's boy called in Telugu?
అబ్బాయి
Abbai.
అబ్బాయి
Ammai.
అబ్బాయి సో
చెప్పులతో
కాల్
ఉంటాయి,
అమ్మాయి
కుబురా.
ఆ సేమ్
Yeah. Ammai.
అబ్బాయి yes.
And what's called mother and father?
మదర్ మీన్స్ అమ్మ Father.
Appa.
ఫాదర్ మీన్స్ నాన్న
Nana.
నాన్న అమ్మ నాన్న
Amma, Nana.
అండ్ నాన్న కోల్డ్
నాన్న ఫాదర్ ఫాదర్
Nana is father.
asking something, so I am asking in English. You can talk with your language in only your language.
Okay.
Okay,
Then how you will understand?
so I will understand,
Okay.
but only
You just want to record it that.
just to
and-
record.
Okay.
That is the memory of that.
Okay.
So yeah, which food your favorite?
तेरा पसंदीदा खाना की है?
So that Telugu you can say English. So that food name.
सरसों का साग, मक्की की रोटी.
So okay.